Old barnwood beams carry a presence that few materials can rival, shaped by decades of exposure to wind, rain, sun, and the steady rhythm of rural life. When these monumental timbers are reclaimed and transformed into a rustic-industrial dining table, the process becomes far more than a woodworking project. It becomes an act of preservation, storytelling, and renewal. Each beam arrives with a visible history etched into its surface. Deep cracks formed by time, softened edges worn smooth by touch, nail holes that once anchored walls or supported hay lofts, and grain patterns that speak of slow growth and enduring strength. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your ultimate destination for stunning woodcraft and home decor inspiration. Here, every piece of wood tells a story, and every design brings nature's beauty into your home. Whether you're a passionate woodwork maker, a woodworking dreamer, or someone seeking timeless and eco-friendly decor, you're in the right place. Stay tuned until the end of this video to uncover creative ideas, inspiring transformations, and to see beautiful collection and get inspiration. Don't just decorate, create with purpose. Subscribe, watch, and let's craft something beautiful together. The challenge in crafting a dining table from such beams lies in honoring these marks of age, while guiding them into a new role that is both functional and refined. The table must feel grounded and authentic, yet capable of living comfortably in a modern home, where clean lines and purposeful design are just as important as character and warmth. The transformation begins with a careful, almost reverent approach to the material. Old barn beams are not simply lumber to be milled down into uniform planks. They are historical artifacts that demand respect. The maker studies each beam, learning where its strongest sections lie and where its most expressive imperfections should be preserved. Cracks are stabilized rather than erased. Knots are celebrated rather than cut away, and weathered surfaces are gently cleaned to reveal their natural patina without stripping away the soul of the wood. This balance between restoration and restraint is crucial. Too much refinement risks erasing the story, while too little attention can compromise durability. The goal is to allow the wood's history to remain visible and tactile, while ensuring the table can withstand daily use and generations of gatherings. Integrating sleek metal elements introduces a compelling contrast that elevates the table into the rustic-industrial realm. Steel legs, brackets, or stretchers are designed with intentional simplicity, offering structural strength while visually grounding the massive wooden top. The cool precision of metal enhances the warmth of the aged wood, creating a dialogue between old and new, organic and industrial. Welding and finishing the metal components becomes an exercise in restraint, avoiding overly decorative details that would compete with the wood's natural drama. Instead, clean lines and subtle textures allow the metal to support and frame the beams, emphasizing their scale and presence. This union of materials transforms the table into a sculptural centerpiece, one that feels both timeless and contemporary. As the beams are joined to form the tabletop, their differences become part of the narrative. Slight variations in width, tone, and grain are not corrected, but arranged thoughtfully to create visual rhythm. The seams between beams tell a story of unity forged from individuality, mirroring the way communities are built from distinct lives and experiences. The maker's role here is not to impose perfection, but to guide harmony, ensuring that the tabletop feels cohesive while retaining the authenticity of each beam. This approach results in a surface that invites touch, where the hand can trace the contours of time and feel the quiet strength embedded in the wood. Finishing the table is a delicate process that further defines its character. Rather than heavy stains or glossy coatings, natural oils or matte sealants are often chosen to protect the wood while allowing its texture and depth to remain visible. These finishes enhance the grain and deepen the tones without masking age or wear. The surface becomes resilient enough for daily life, meals, conversations, celebrations, yet remains honest and unpretentious. The table does not pretend to be new. It proudly displays its past, inviting users to become part of its ongoing story. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video so far? Make sure to tap that like button and share the channel with your family and friends who love woodworking, decor, and creative inspiration just like you. Your support helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you new ideas and projects every day. I'd also love to know where in the world you're watching from. So drop your country in the comments below. And after this video, don't forget to check out the other videos on the channel. You'll find even more inspirational transformations, and creative builds waiting for you. The resulting rustic-industrial dining table carries a powerful emotional weight. It is more than a piece of furniture. It is a gathering place shaped by history and intention. Families and friends come together around a surface that once stood in a barn, supporting livelihoods and weathering seasons long before it became part of a home. This continuity of purpose adds depth to everyday moments, turning shared meals into experiences rooted in connection and memory. The table becomes a silent witness to new stories unfolding, just as the beams once witnessed the rhythms of agricultural life. From a sustainable design perspective, transforming old barnwood beams into furniture represents a meaningful response to modern environmental concerns. By reclaiming and repurposing existing materials, makers reduce demand for newly harvested wood and prevent valuable resources from being discarded. This approach aligns beauty with responsibility, proving that sustainability does not require sacrifice in quality or aesthetics. On the contrary, reclaimed materials often offer richness and character that cannot be replicated in new products. The dining table stands as a testament to this philosophy, showing how thoughtful design can extend the life of materials while creating objects of lasting value. Heirloom quality is perhaps the most compelling outcome of this transformation. Built from dense, seasoned wood and reinforced with durable metal, the table is designed to endure. Its strength is physical, but its longevity is also emotional. Unlike mass-produced furniture that follows fleeting trends, a rustic industrial table made from barn beams grows more meaningful over time. As it ages, it accumulates new marks and memories, layering contemporary life onto a foundation shaped by the past. This evolving narrative makes the table something to be cherished and passed down, a tangible link between generations. Ultimately, the transformation of old barnwood beams into a rustic industrial dining table is a celebration of rebirth. It demonstrates how materials deemed obsolete can find renewed purpose through careful craftsmanship and thoughtful design. By preserving the raw beauty and story of the beams while integrating modern metal elements, the table becomes a bridge between eras, styles, and values. It embodies the idea that history need not be frozen in place to be honored. It can be lived with, gathered around, and woven into the fabric of everyday life. In doing so, this reclaimed centerpiece stands as both a functional work of art and a powerful reminder that sustainable design thrives when past and present are allowed to meet with respect and creativity. Thank you so much for watching Decor Ideas, where creativity meets craftsmanship and nature comes to life through wood. We truly appreciate your time and support. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends and family who love unique home decor and woodcraft inspiration. Your feedback inspires us to create even more amazing ideas for you. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our next inspiring video. Until then, Keep crafting, keep creating, and keep finding beauty in every piece of wood.